This one obscure stock made an ordinary investor a billionaire in less than 2 years. No high profits or growth, but just one rumor sparked a rally that ballooned his returns to crores. This is the unbelievable story playing out right now on Dalal Street, where surprises are common, but few are as dramatic as the sudden rise of Rajendra Kamalkant Chodhankar. Now, thanks to an astonishing mind-bending rally in a company called RRP Semiconductor, he's found himself vaulted into India's exclusive billionaire ranks. In the last 18 months, the stock has surged by more than 66,500%. On October 30th, the stock scaled a fresh peak, hitting over 10,600 rupees on the stock exchange, instantly pushing the company's market value past the 14,500 crore rupee mark. RRP Semiconductor surged nearly 13,000% on the back of nothing but just one rumor that cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar had invested in the firm, and claims that the Maharashtra government had allotted the company hundreds of acres of land. Now, the company publicly shot down both of these stories and stated clearly that Tendulkar had zero association with RRP and that no land allotment has been received by the company. But another rumor suggested massive government-linked chip orders under India's semiconductor mission and exports worth over 6 crore rupees. That too has been bluntly dismissed by the management. Rajendra, who owns nearly 75% of the company's equity, now commands a personal wealth of more than 9,000 crore rupees. So how did this massive wealth transfer happen? RRP Semiconductor operates out of an unamusing industrial address in Navi Mumbai. Rajendra was appointed as the non-executive additional director and had extended up to 8 crore rupees in loans to the firm. Then, in May of 2024, shareholders cleared a plan to issue him over 1 crore shares at just 12 rupees each, effectively handling him 74.5% of the expanded equity. That low-cost allotment, based on his existing loans, has since turned into one of the most sensational paper gains the Indian stock market has ever witnessed. Revenue did jump significantly in the last financial year, and they swung from a minor loss to a net profit of over 8 crore rupees. But even that momentum has now wavered. The most recent quarter recorded no revenue at all compared to the previous one, even though the losses have narrowed. But what does that matter? In fact, the company conceded that its current fundamentals do not in any way justify a rise from 10 rupees a share to nearly 10,000 rupees a share. Adding even more drama to this already wild story is the fact that nearly 99% of the stock is locked up until March of 2026. This means only a tiny fraction, just about 4,000 shares, are actually available for trading. That wafer-thin float has created a playground ripe for speculation, and the company itself is alleging unethical manipulation is at work. They've stated that they are initiating legal action against those spreading falsehoods and exploiting the company's name and even Tendulkar's reputation. The astonishing surge has made headlines across India and has attracted scrutiny from the exchange itself. The Bombay Stock Exchange has recently placed RRP Semiconductor under enhanced surveillance measures. But what do you make of the company? Are you actually an investor, or have you heard about the company as well? Let us know in the comments below and follow NDTV Profit for more.